Assalamualaikum. Welcome everyone to online class system. This is organized by the Lord Organization. How are you, my dear student and viewers? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. I am Mustafizur Rahman, lecturer in English at the Lord Organization. Dear student, today I will conduct the class 10. Unit 3, Lesson 5. Dear students and learners, I hope that you are well at the time of pandemic. Yeah. Now, dear student, in the lesson, you will open the textbook. The lesson 5 and Unit 3. In the lesson, we will open the book. Now, dear student, we will read the passage. In the lesson, we see that the passage is about Independence Day. Now, we will read the passage. Independence Day. Lesson 5, Independence Day. Here, 26 March, our Independence Day is the biggest state festival. 26 March is a memorable day, is a red letter day for the people of Bengal. And it is a state festival all over the country. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a memorable day so that all the people of Bangladesh celebrate this day with great enthusiastic and fervor. It is a national holiday. All the people know that this is a national holiday and public day. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. On this day, all the offices, government and non-government, are closed. So, all the people of the country know that this is a most important day and red letter day for the people of our country, for the people, for the Bengali people. So, dear student, you should know this is a red letter day and memorable day. This is a public holiday. So, all classes of shops, factories, offices, all offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31 gun salute. It is a day, in this day, the day begins with 31 gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Museum at Sabha. In the early morning on this day, our Prime Minister and President, and on behalf of the people, go to the our National Museum at Sabha. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. In this day, then other political leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. They will show their tribute, respect to the martyrs in this day. People from all parts of life also go they are in rallies and procession. In this day, people from all walks of world attend the procession of the rallies. There are many cultural programs. There are many cultural programs throughout the day. In this day, various kinds of people organize various kinds of cultural programs, highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. In this day, when they throughout their programs, they highlight the sacrificing heroic fighters in our country. In 1971, the heroic struggle fighters who sacrificed their lives, all the cultural organization, educational institutions, throughout their programs, they shows the heroic fighters through their organization. Today, the dear students and learners, we have already discussed few lines from the passage. These lines are more important than the other lines, and this is the most important passage in the textbooks. So, from the textbooks, we can now discuss choose the best answer. The most important lines and most important points and fill in the gaps. It would be most helpful for the learners and their students. Now we will discuss the question. Choose the best answer. This is the and here some more important lines. I have written few lines in the whiteboard in which now we will discuss our biggest state festival is. So this is the question, and here we can write, and the best answer is Independence Day. Through these lines, we can say our biggest state festival is Independence Day. So, Independence Day is a related day and memorable day for the Bengali people. The second line is the celebration of Independence Day begins with. The celebration of Independence Day. This is the question for the learners and their students. We can remember these lines, and we should remember these lines. The celebration of Independence Day begins with 31 gun salute. This is the another most important line. The third lines and the third question is our national mausoleum is situated at our national mausoleum is situated at Savannah. This is the most important lines. Here, from the passage, we can read and discuss that. The passage is most important for the learners and for the student of class 9 and 10. Here, all the students read these lines with concentrations and attentively. If the student read these lines with concentration and attentively, he or she will be success in their examination. So all the students should read these lines and remember these lines. Now, here we have already discussed the passage and the most important lines. Now, all the learners and students read this passage at home with attentively. At the time, in fine, I want to say about the learners and viewers and all the respectable persons. At the time of pandemic, we should maintain our social distance and social health and take care of your health, of your family, and we must wear masks at the time for going outside. So all the students today we have already discussed the passage, and in the next class we have already meet at our class. Now you will take care of your health, and Allah Hafiz.